How physical activity changes your brain chemistry as you age. Introduction: why your brain needs more than just rest. As we age, the natural processes of life begin to affect not only our physical body, but also our brain. You might have noticed changes in memory, focus, or even your mood. What if I told you that physical activity is one of the most powerful tools to counteract these changes? In this video, we'll explore how exercise reshapes your brain chemistry at the cellular and molecular levels, and how it can help you maintain cognitive vitality and emotional well-being throughout your life. Understanding brain aging, the silent shift inside your head. Neuroplasticity declines with age. Neuroplasticity refers to the brain's remarkable ability to change, adapt, and rewire itself. When we're young, our brains form new connections rapidly, allowing us to learn new skills effortlessly. But as we age, this ability slows down, making it harder to pick up new skills or recover from brain injuries. Neurotransmitter levels drop over time. Key neurotransmitters: dopamine, serotonin, norepinephrine, and acetylcholine gradually decrease in production as we grow older. This reduction can impact everything from motivation and pleasure to memory and attention. Chronic inflammation and oxidative stress, the brain's hidden enemies. The aging brain experiences an increase in low-grade chronic inflammation, often called inflammaging. Alongside this, oxidative stress damages brain cells. Both these factors are linked to cognitive decline and neurodegenerative diseases. Shrinkage of critical brain regions. Parts of the brain, such as the hippocampus, important for memory formation, and the prefrontal cortex, critical for decision-making and executive functions, tend to shrink with age, impairing cognitive abilities. The powerful role of physical activity in brain health. Exercise is a natural neurochemical booster. Physical activity triggers the release of neurotransmitters that are essential for mood, memory, and cognition. Let's look at some of these chemicals in more detail. Dopamine, the motivation molecule. Dopamine helps regulate movement, motivation, and reward. Higher dopamine levels from exercise can help you feel more energized, focused, and motivated. Serotonin, the mood stabilizer. Serotonin plays a vital role in stabilizing mood, reducing anxiety, and promoting feelings of well-being. Exercise boosts serotonin, which is why it's often prescribed as a natural treatment for depression. Norepinephrine, the attention enhancer. Norepinephrine heightens alertness and attention. When you exercise, norepinephrine levels rise, sharpening your ability to focus and process information. Acetylcholine, the memory facilitator. Acetylcholine supports memory and learning. Aerobic exercise helps maintain acetylcholine levels, which is especially important for preventing age-related memory decline. Brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, the miracle protein. What is BDNF and why does it matter? BDNF is a protein that promotes the survival and growth of neurons. It helps form new synapses, the communication points between brain cells. Higher BDNF levels correlate with better memory, learning, and overall brain function. How does exercise influence BDNF? Subscribe to the channel for more videos. Like and comment. Aerobic exercise is one of the strongest stimulators of BDNF production. Activities such as running, cycling, or brisk walking can significantly increase BDNF levels, leading to neurogenesis, creation of new neurons, particularly in the hippocampus. Synaptic plasticity, improved ability of the brain to rewire and adapt, supporting learning and memory. Age and BDNF, why exercise is more important than ever. BDNF levels naturally decline with age, contributing to cognitive decline. Regular physical activity helps counteract this decline, essentially feeding your brain with this vital protein and supporting mental resilience. Fighting inflammation and oxidative stress through movement. What are inflammation and oxidative stress? Inflammation, a natural immune response that becomes harmful when chronic. Oxidative stress, an imbalance between harmful free radicals and the body's ability to neutralize them. Both processes contribute to neuron damage and cognitive impairment. Exercise as an anti-inflammatory agent. Physical activity helps reduce inflammatory markers in the brain and body, protecting neurons from damage and supporting long-term brain health. Antioxidant effects of exercise. Exercise also enhances the body's antioxidant defenses, helping neutralize free radicals that cause oxidative damage. Blood flow and oxygen delivery. Fuel for your brain. How aging affects cerebral blood flow. As you age, blood flow to the brain can decrease, limiting oxygen and nutrient delivery to critical areas. Exercise boosts circulation. Physical activity increases heart rate and blood circulation, ensuring that your brain gets the oxygen and nutrients it needs to function optimally. This improved blood flow supports cell health and cognitive performance. Types of exercise and their unique brain benefits. Aerobic exercise, the brain booster. Cardio activities like running, swimming, cycling, or even fast walking elevate heart rate and oxygen supply, leading to increases in BDNF and neurotransmitters. Resistance training, more than muscle strength. Weightlifting and resistance workouts improve not only physical strength, but also cognitive functions like attention, problem solving, and executive control. Balance and coordination exercises, maintaining brain-body connection. Practices like yoga, tai chi, and dancing engage motor and sensory systems, helping preserve brain areas involved in coordination and spatial awareness. Mind-body exercises, stress reduction and mental clarity. Incorporating mindfulness with movement lowers stress hormones, reducing inflammation and promoting mental well-being. Subscribe to the channel for more videos. Like and comment. How much exercise is needed to reap brain benefits? Recommendations from health authorities. 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic exercise per week, 2 or more sessions of muscle strengthening activities, starting small and building consistency. If you're new to exercise, start with light activities like walking or stretching. Gradually increase intensity and duration to suit your fitness level. Scientific evidence. What research shows about exercise and aging brains? Exercise increases brain volume and connectivity. Studies have shown that regular aerobic exercise can increase the size of the hippocampus, reversing age-related shrinkage. Exercise reduces risk of dementia. Epidemiological research links physical activity to a lower risk of Alzheimer's and other dementias. Mood and cognitive improvements. Exercise interventions improve mood, reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression, and enhance cognitive functions in older adults. Practical tips to make exercise a habit for brain health. Choose activities you enjoy. You're more likely to stick with exercises that are fun and rewarding. Create a routine and set realistic goals. Schedule exercise like any important task. Combine different types of exercise. Balance aerobic, strength, and flexibility workouts for overall brain and body health. Stay social and motivated. Join groups, classes, or find a workout buddy. Listen to your body. Avoid injury by warming up, cooling down, and adjusting exercises as needed. Conclusion: your brain's best ally is movement. Aging may bring changes to your brain chemistry, but physical activity offers a powerful way to counteract these effects. By enhancing neurotransmitter levels, boosting BDNF, reducing inflammation, and improving blood flow, exercise helps maintain mental sharpness, emotional stability, and memory function. Starting today, making movement a consistent part of your life could be the best investment you make for your brain's future. Subscribe to the channel for more videos. Like and comment.